ready to turn your WhatsApp into a lead-generating and nurturing machine. First, head over to Aisensy and log into your account. We're diving straight into WhatsApp automation, the heart of your lead generation strategy. Look for the WhatsApp automation tab on your dashboard and click on it. Next, you'll design your lead generation chatbot flow. Think of it as your virtual sales assistant. Map out the questions you want to ask potential customers. Why you're what information are you trying to collect? Start with a friendly greeting and a clear explanation of how you can help them. Now, let's set up keywords. These are trigger words that will initiate your chatbot flow. For example, if a user sends discount code, your chatbot can automatically reply with the code and ask for their contact details for future promotions. Add different keywords based on what services or products you offer. Personalization is key. Use Aisensy's features to include the customer's name and tailor the message based on their previous interactions. This creates a more engaging and relevant experience. Make sure to include a clear call to action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, requesting a demo, or making a purchase. Finally, track your results. Aisensy provides detailed analytics to monitor your lead generation performance. Pay attention to metrics like conversion rates, message open rates, and customer engagement to optimize your flows and improve your results over time. Now you're ready to generate leads.